Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tally.so to Google Sheets so you can automatically sync your form responses and manage your data in real time in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Integrations tab in Tally. The first step is locating the connection hub within your specific form builder to initiate the bridge to Google's ecosystem. Open the form you've created in Tally.so and look at the top navigation bar. Click on the Integrations tab. Scroll through the list of available apps until you find Google Sheets, and then click the Connect button located right next to it. In 2026, Tally's native integration is the most efficient way to move data. By starting here, you avoid using third-party tools like Zapier, ensuring that your data flows directly and securely from your form submissions to your spreadsheet without any extra latency or cost. Next, authenticate your Google account. Now that you've selected the integration, you need to give Tally the necessary permissions to write data to your Google account. A pop-up window will appear asking you to choose a Google account. Select the account where your spreadsheet is or will be. Review the permission requests and click Allow. This gives Tally the ability to create new spreadsheets and edit existing rows on your behalf. This is the handshake phase. In 2026, Google's security protocols require explicit authorization for cloud-to-cloud data transfers. Once this link is established, you won't have to sign in again for future projects, making your workflow significantly faster for subsequent projects. Lastly, select or create your spreadsheet. With the accounts linked, you must now decide exactly where the incoming form data should be stored. You will see a drop-down menu. You can either select an existing spreadsheet from your Google Drive or click Create a new spreadsheet. If you choose a new one, give it a descriptive name like 2026 Customer Feedback Tally Sync. Then select the specific sheet within that file where the data should land. Organization is key to a professional workflow. In 2026, creating a dedicated sheet for each form prevents data overlap. Tally will automatically generate headers in the first row of your sheet that match your form questions, ensuring that every piece of information has a perfectly aligned home from the moment the first person hits Submit. And that's pretty much it. To connect Tally.so to Google Sheets in 2026, navigate to the Integrations tab in your form, authenticate your Google account, and select or create a spreadsheet. Once you map your fields to the correct columns and submit a test response, your data will sync automatically with every new submission. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.